It's giving auntie, and I don't like that. Hey guys, welcome back to another day. Today is Sunday, October 3rd. I guess you could say we're doing Vlogtober, girl. Okay, I'm not gonna promise, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna vlog every single day, but I'm gonna do my best to post between 4 to 5 times a week, okay? And it's gonna be majority of vlogs, and then I'm gonna put in a few like content, just like sit down videos and stuff like that in between. But your girl is gonna try to do Vlogtober, okay? I'm gonna try to do it for the whole entire month. I've been seeing my girls, you know, upload it for Vlogtober, and it's just been kind of inspiring me. I was like, might as well join the gang, okay? I just have on my Nike sports bra, waist trainer, and then my leggings are from Women's Best. I'm about to head to the gym, so I'm probably gonna vlog when I come back. My plan for today is kind of just like up in the air because it is supposed to rain later, so I'm not sure what exactly I'll be doing, but I do want to go to the Battery today, so we may do that. Oh, that'll be some content for us. So yeah, so today is Sunday, October 3rd, and that's pretty much it. All I have planned for today, I have to upload a video for you guys, my vlog for last week, and that's pretty much it, y'all. So let's go to the gym, get this body right, okay, because we're trying to be fine before the summertime, okay? We got all winter to get ourselves together. So yeah, I will see y'all either when I get to the gym or when I come back from the gym. Hey y'all, so I'm back from the gym. I'm about to head out and run some errands, and I think I'm still going to the Battery. I'm not sure. But I just have on, I'm gonna show you guys what I have on real quick. Just have on a Skims bodysuit, black leggings, and I'm gonna put on my Charles and Keith bag. I'm gonna show you real quick what that looks like. Just black on black on black, okay? We love black over here. Black, I could wear black every day. And then I'm gonna put on a jean jacket. So yeah, when we come back, we gotta do some cleaning because I want to get my room and stuff situated before Sunday, because y'all know Sundays are the start to the week. So that's pretty much it. We're about to head and run some errands, so you guys are gonna come with so we can run these errands, girl, and then come back and clean up and just get ourselves situated for the week, because it's gonna be a great week, okay? We're claiming it. It's gonna be a fantastic week. We're back at the house. So the Battery was a mess, honey. It was a game, and I just really didn't even feel like going through that traffic and finagling and trying to figure out where we were finna park, because parking was crazy. So I just decided not to go to the Battery today. We probably end up going another day this week, since I'm gonna be vlogging every day anyways. So I just made it back home. I'm glad I really didn't put on a beat face. I didn't put on any face. Y'all see this burn? So yeah, now we're about to cook because I'm starving. Then after that, we'll clean up because we need to start off our week the right way. I keep telling myself that so I won't get distracted, because it's so easy to just be like, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. No, we're gonna do it today. So yeah, I'm not sure how long this vlog will be. I'm pushing for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna see how much I can come up with. I know I'm about to make some home fries, so like some french fries at the house, but they're gonna be like the baked fries. I'm about to do that, and then after I'm gonna eat, and then we're gonna just see where the day takes us. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started cooking, and then I'll probably catch up with you guys like once I start cleaning up, so you guys can see me like clean and prepare for the week. So yeah, girl, let's go and clean up. I need a new wig. Okay. Bye, y'all. I guess, yeah. Okay, guys, so as you can see, your girl just ate real good. I had a burger, so it was pretty good. I be trying not to eat beef like that. Like, that's just not my thing. My room looks super dark, but I'm in front of the window because it's like the best lighting in my room right now. But what we're about to do now is clean up because your girl is it's a little junky. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys watch me clean up. I'm gonna see how much footage I can get, or whatever. So I'm gonna try to make it as long as possible. But honestly, I'm thinking I want the vlogs to be about 20 minutes long for each vlog, but realistically, it's gonna be given very much so 10, 15, more so 15 minutes. I know I'm gonna try to do more than 10 minutes. So yeah. Hopefully, I don't bore y'all to death because, like I said, I am a homebody. I do plan on doing a few things this week. Like, I want to get some sushi at one sushi, and then I want to get some, I think it's called pho or pho. No, it's called pho. It's definitely not called pho. I think they have it in the Battery, and I want to try that for the first time because I've never tried it. Just do different things that I haven't done before. So I'm gonna see how much stuff I can do this week. But sometimes, girl, we just gonna be doing a vlog in the house. So hopefully y'all don't mind that because, like I said, I am a homebody, and the pandemic is still here. Okay, and then I also be working this week. Now, if I do have a client that comes to me often, which I do have a few clients that come weekly, but I'm gonna see how they feel about me vlogging the experience. So yeah, let's go ahead and clean up so I can go ahead and edit this vlog. I hate that we didn't get a chance to go to the Battery today because I wanted some ice cream so bad. I wanted that Jenny's ice cream. If you know, you know. We may go to Jenny's though one day this week, maybe like the one in Buckhead, because that one just gives vibes, you know. It just gives vibes. So yeah, girl, I think that's it. I'm saying yeah, girl. It could be guys watching this too, but I don't know. I just know my girls, they always comment. Let's go ahead and get started so we won't be all day because I do plan on getting in bed early. It's about 4:37 right now. I posted a vlog today. It looks like you guys are enjoying it, which I'm super happy about because it did take a lot of time for me to edit and put the description box the way it needed to be because I just wanted to make sure that that video was as helpful as possible. Yeah, hopefully those tips helped. That was in my last video. If I find out some more stuff that I feel like you guys would enjoy, I keep looking at the viewfinder when I need to be looking at y'all. But if I figure out some more things, or if I find some more things that I feel like would be helpful, I will make sure I list them in the description box, or I'll make sure I mention it in my video. But yeah, let me stop rambling because I will be talking all day. I need to get my nails done this week because girl, it's giving we're down bad. Look at, I should be ashamed. I hate not having my nails done. I think I'm gonna go to black. I think I'm gonna go the black route because at this point it's October, so we might as well do fall colors. And I think I'm gonna do black on the toes. That's just how we coming, period. I think I'm gonna start with my bathroom because my room is really not so much to do. Let me show you my bathroom though. It's the bathroom for me. Every time I do some hair, it's like giving what happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and start that, and you guys are just gonna watch me clean up.
Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real.
Okay, guys, so we're back in front of the window. I just finished cleaning. I am tired at this point. I need to lay down. I've really been up since 5 o'clock this morning because I edited the video that I posted yesterday at 5 this morning. So yeah, I'm about to show you guys the finished products, and then we're about to get in the bed, and then that'll probably be it for today's vlog. I guess you can say vlog Vlogtober day 2 because this is my second vlog for the week. We're gonna see how tomorrow goes. It's gonna be a day, everything's gonna be a day ahead. I think I'm gonna try to do 4 vlogs this week, and then 1 like sit down video, so a total of 5 videos each week. I know I'm probably not gonna do 7. I'm not even gonna lie to you, and y'all probably get tired of me trying to do 7 videos of me staying at home making coffee, because that's pretty much all I'm gonna be doing. So but I am gonna try my best to shoot for 5 videos this week, and then yeah, so let me show you the room. So I don't know if you guys can see really. Oh yeah, y'all can see. So like I told y'all, I didn't get my other lamp yet, so it's looking weird, but everything is clean, picked up off the floor. Yeah, so we're back in order for the week. The bathroom is clean. So yeah, back in order for the week. So we're ready to take off and have a great start. I feel like when you have everything together, like your room, or whether it's making your bed, or whether it's just maybe mental notes and stuff like that. Maybe it's just mental stuff, but getting your mind in order and prepared for the week definitely helps out a lot. So if you haven't tried that, girl, try it. Let me know how that helps as far as, like, you know, just getting the week started off better, because the woman I want to become does this every Sunday. So that's what we gonna do, guys. So I'm looking crusty. I got back from the gym about an hour ago. We made breakfast. I had protein pancakes. I didn't film that because it's pretty much the same thing that I made in my last vlog. This vlog, I've been looking crusty, dusty. So sorry about that, girl, but we was literally at the house, and this is how it be when I be at the house. Right now, I'm about to make me a coffee because I'm gonna need an iced coffee to get through the rest of my day, because your girl is burnt, because your girl is tired. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my iced coffee. If you hear the shaking, that's Milo, he being Milo. But yeah, so we're gonna make an iced coffee together. I'm gonna film that because I'm also planning on doing a TikTok with that too. So I just decided, why not show you guys how I make my iced coffee. This time it's gonna be a little bit extra flavorful because I just want to make it really, really cute. So yeah, today is a content day, honey. Today is a content day. I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. I'm gonna try to do the vlogs every day. But listen, don't be mad at me if I skip a day or two, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, this vlog wasn't, I know it's not gonna be too long, but I just wanted to make sure I do get like some content for y'all and show you what I'm actually doing. But I just have on a t-shirt and my Skims shorts, and yeah, nothing special. My bonnets, because I'm looking like grandma. I say this in every video. I'm gonna get me a new bonnet because it's giving auntie, and I don't like that. And not the rich one. It's just not giving. So yeah, let's go ahead and make this iced coffee, and then we're gonna close out the video. Be my baby. guys, so that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you did enjoy it. Sorry for looking so crusty, dusty, okay? Hopefully tomorrow's vlog I'll look a little bit better because I'm planning on doing some stuff today. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you share some love in the comment section because you know I always meet y'all in the comments, okay? Yeah, I think that's it. I love y'all so much, and I will see you tomorrow. So make sure that you set your notifications so that you won't miss a vlog, okay? Because we coming with the heat. It's October. We only got 2 more months left in the year. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's gonna be a whole nother year. So make sure that you're doing what you need to do today, okay? Love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next one.